Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a flip through of the new book from Maria Trolle. This is one I actually ordered from iMusic, so it's the edition. You can't get it in on Amazon US yet. I gotta say the cover is really nice. Comparing it to a US edition of her last one, it's all smooth. This one's rough. But it's called Sagen? Yeah, we'll see. I normally do not buy these. I usually wait for the US one. So let's see. Good paper. I'd have to Google Translate that one. Not single-sided, but her books never are. Now, I was kind of interested in trying to get the this one instead of waiting for the US edition, but it costs quite a bit to buy it through this iMusic where you need to buy it from. So it's kind of up to you. This paper's really smooth. Interesting. Curious if I'm going to find this book worth it. Some of these pages aren't really speaking to me. It's thinner than her last book, too. That one's kind of cute. Doing a lot less florals and a lot more scenes. I'm kind of bummed about that, not gonna lie. I enjoy her florals. It's kind of what drew me to her back in the day, were the florals. Not these types, but like Botanicum and all that. She also changed up her covers. They were always black or a dark color with a gold on the spine. And then she started changing that with the last few. And that's been kind of a bummer too. It made it easier to spot on your bookshelf. You would just look for the gold spine. But now it's like, oh wait. Very interesting. This paper almost feels thinner too, and you can really see the last page through it. I've got that other one next to me. I'm going to pull it out and compare the paper. She's doing a lot more of these circle thingies. I like her for the way she does peonies. This would be cute for next Christmas. Let me check one thing real quick. This one was pretty thin too, but yeah, the paper's smooth, but not as smooth as in that book. It's got a tiny bit more tooth to it, but it's not as thin either. Whereas this one, it's thin and very, very smooth, and you can see through it. So that's kind of a bummer. Honestly, I'm a little disappointed, especially, to get it here in the US, buying through iMusic, and how thin it is. They're getting thinner and thinner over the years, but do I have one of her old ones here? I don't. But yeah, I would have to say definitely not worth buying it right now. I would recommend waiting till it releases in the US, because it's not, I wasn't very impressed. I wish she would go back and do some more floral stuff. Between this one and her, whatever it's called, she's definitely doing more scenes, but I kind of miss just the florals. I'm sure they're pretty tedious to color, so I get it, but still, not taken away by, I'm just not blown away by this one. Curious what you guys think, if anyone did buy this one or if you're waiting for the US. But yeah, I honestly don't like it. There's a few pages in here I'll color, but the paper I really don't like. I don't like how see-through it is and thin and very, very smooth. And I like smooth paper, so that's saying something if I don't like the smoothness of this one. Let me know if you got yours through iMusic or if you're going to wait for the US edition. I might buy the US one when it comes out. Usually it's a few months and then compare the two, but I would say wait for the US one, to be honest. You're going to get a better paper for sure, at least from previous prints. So yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching this flip through. Sorry it wasn't all exciting and more like, oh, bummer. But until next time, take care. Bye now.